Balderson, 5 minutes of questioning.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair Stevens. Dr. Copeland, good to see you, sir. I was proud to be an original co-sponsor of Chairwoman Stevens' bill, the American Manufacturing Leadership Act, which passed the House in July of last year. This bill would strengthen our nation's largest investment in advanced manufacturing, the Manufacturing USA program. I am pleased to see that in the President's budget request, the Manufacturing USA program was given a 60% funding increase. Could you speak to what new opportunities NIST could pursue with this increased funding for the Manufacturing USA program? And what could this increased funding level mean for small and mid-sized manufacturers?
Thank you so much, Congressman Balderson. The advanced manufacturing focus of the budget proposal for 2020 is really authorizing NIST to begin the competition for a new advanced manufacturing institute. We are excited about that potential. We're also excited about the new model that NIST has in the reauthorization of the Manufacturing USA program, because it provides us much greater flexibility in how we bring new centers and new partnerships together as part of the broader initiative for U.S. advanced manufacturing and Manufacturing USA. We would look specifically to begin in this fiscal year the competition process, which we anticipate to be a year-long journey to bring an open competition together, that the best possible opportunity for a new U.S. manufacturing cluster can be established. We know that this is a highly competitive process, but competition is a great thing because it brings together new collaborators, new partners, and looking at the most important problems for U.S. manufacturing to be addressed. So it's really looking to continue NIST's great work in coordinating of the interagency process, the National Science and Technology Council's Advanced Manufacturing Subcommittee, which NIST co-chairs. And we're looking forward to that broad engagement in the process, the continuation and the increase of funding that allows us to do even more for America in the future.
Thank you for that answer. My follow-up question would be, and you spoke a little bit about the competition, but given the rise of the international competition in the field of advanced manufacturing, what could it mean for the United States if another country were to gain dominance in these techniques?
We know that the rest of the world is watching what we do, and in many cases are emulating what we do in the United States. Having recently visited in Brazil for the Joint Commission on Science and Technology Cooperation between the U.S. and Brazil, it's very clear that there's been close collaborative efforts between the economies of the U.S. and Brazil in imagining what the advanced manufacturing systems of our respective nations will look like. We'll continue to benchmark globally to ensure that the United States continues to have the information that we need to build the advanced manufacturing infrastructure of the future. Very clearly, we're pleased at the opportunity to increase funding in these areas, but we know that there are commitments that have been made, for example, by China as part of their Made in China 2025 program that calls for the build-out of 40 advanced manufacturing institutes. This in itself provides us an opportunity to see what China is doing. They have in many cases duplicated the types of institutes that we have in the United States, and including the same names for the institutes. And it's been something that we are keeping our finger on the pulse. We do know that our sustained investment for this nation, as well as utilizing American creativity to ensure that we're addressing the greatest opportunities of the industries of the future, recognizing that as we make, we learn. We know also that measurement science is absolutely essential to the future of manufacturing, and also that standardization is essential for the adoption of the new products that come from our advanced manufacturing programs across the nation.
Thank you very much. Madam Chair, I yield back.
Thank you. I tell everyone back home when we got this